Right, so what I'm going to do now is just a quick unboxing and review on the GPS maker box. So this came in the post earlier on. Now you're probably thinking, yeah, you're sponsored by GPS, so you're going to get all sorts of goodies, but this is the exact thing that you're going to get when you pay for your box. I've got no more or no less. Matt's wrote a little note here as well. Hi, hello Rich. The items enclosed are what you will find in the maker supply crate. It will cost £10 plus shipping. Believe me guys, I've seen what's in these boxes and it's an absolute steal. I mean, there's just so much in there and for such a small price. So they'll be available exclusively from JB Supplies UK. So that's www.ebay.co.uk/str/JB Supplies UK. I'll leave a link in the description of this video to those guys. So that's what we get. We get a sticker for our sticker board. So this is the fake ivory or the ivory substitute. Am I in camera? Yes I am. So it looks a bit like I mean, these would be great to sharpen down and smooth for you know, when you're making cards and envelopes and things like that. You'd usually use bone, but you could make a couple of these anyway. So let's have a look how thick they are. So these the ivory stuff is, it's 4mm. So it's 4mm thick by 35mm by 120mm. So you get two of those. That one's slightly smaller, so larger. That's 134mm. Now this is nice. This is gorgeous. This stuff is. These are blocks. I'm not sure of the names of these, but I'll find out and I'll try and put the link in the description to all the names at least. So these are 32.5mm by 40mm by 130mm. You get two of those different types. So that's like a, I don't know what kind of colour you call that. So two of those. Now you do, I mean, let me just say, you get 3 pen blanks in here. The 3 pen blanks themselves are worth more than the £10 plus shipping that you're going to spend on the whole crate itself. I mean, look at those colours, they are gorgeous, aren't they? The measurements are 22mm by 20mm, and they're 125, just 127mm long. Yeah, so the average pen blank sizes. Look at that, gorgeous these are, absolutely gorgeous. These are relatively new to GPS, I think. This is nice. So that's another piece which is 40mm by 132mm by 5, 6, 7mm. So that's your average knife scale size. Oh, you get another one of those. That's cool. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Nice or what? So that will be 40mm by 35mm by 131mm. That's another one of those. Now this stuff's really cool. This is exactly what you get in your crate when you order it. So these are various different sizes, shapes. Come on, sort yourself out, man. Various different colours. Oh, look at that. That looks a little bit like tortoiseshell, kind of ivory look. I don't know. So they're the colours that you get of those. I mean, if you make jewellery and things like that, these are absolutely perfect. Measurement wise, each one's the same, and they're 76mm by 77mm by 77mm, and they are 3mm thick. Yeah, 3mm. Yeah, they're all 3mm. Ideal for cutting. I mean, you can cut these on your bandsaw. I think you might be able to do it on your scroll saw as well. I'm not sure, but they make great jewellery. No, this is my favourite stuff. I love this stuff, I really do. Like I say, if you're into jewellery making, or you want to inlay this into a nice bit of wood or something like that, absolutely gorgeous. Look at those colours. Woo! You can imagine making a pendant or something out of these. Gorgeous. So there's 6 of those. I believe that is the full range of those. I'm not sure, but I'll have to check. Again, they are 75mm by 75mm. Yeah, 75 by 75, and they are they're 4mm. Those are. Yeah, so those are 3mm. They're 4mm. Anyway, so this is what you get in the crate. The Maker's Supply crate. It's absolutely gorgeous stuff. Just remember, guys, just because I'm sponsored by GPS doesn't mean they've sent me extra in my crate. This is exactly what you guys are going to get. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll leave links to where you can buy your crate from. It's an absolute no-brainer. For £10 plus shipping, absolute no-brainer. Anyway, I'll see you next time.